Hi folks, Jay the RV Coach coming to you from the lot at Leisure Time Sales in Quispamsis, taking a look today at a 2025 Imagine AIM 15RB. Beautiful little rear bath trailer. We'll take a look at it. It does all kinds of features with these grand designs you got to come in and see for yourself, but we'll try to touch on a few of them today. One of those being you do have onboard solar with this one, so you've got a solar charge controller on this unit, full pass-through storage, and you can see here that the storage unit is finished. So you've got a rock guard on the bottom, you've got a finished front panel as well as on the other side another panel. So again, it's just closed in. You've got the motion sensor LED light too. It's the little things, folks, that make a difference. You've got the power tongue jack on this unit as well. Makes it nice and easy to get on and off your tow vehicle when you get to where you're going. Step above steps make it nice and easy to get into the trailer. You've got a full power awning on this unit as well with an LED strip underneath it. Single axle on this one keeps the weight nice and light as well. Let's head inside and take a look at some of the beautiful features inside. So again, this is a couples camper. It comes in at just under 3,800 pounds. So it gives you all kinds of options to pull it with a light truck. You can see here you've got the Murphy bed set up, so you've got a combination. You can sit and relax and have a living area, a little bit of storage underneath and storage on either side. And relatively easily, it's going to convert to your bed at night. Just flip that over, drop the gate lock here, bring this down. And as you can see, just like that, you've got a spot to sleep as well. Storage on either side, again, storage above. You've got the reading lights built in. And my favorite feature in the Imagine is always the little cubby holes on either side to keep everything nice and out of the way, but still in a convenient location. So CPAP machines, phones, that sort of thing can all be relatively easily charged. Your kitchen has a 2-burner cooktop with a microwave underneath. That is an induction microwave as well. You've got pot and pan storage below. Some storage here as well, just under the sink. Nice matte black finish to the faucet. Storage above. Premium wood core cabinet doors, one of the features of the Imagine that we really like. You're getting into that extra little bit of quality as well. Nice neat LED strips here in the ceiling. Those are dimmable too, so it gives you a little bit of control over your lighting and your ambiance. Your dinette will fold down to create some extra sleeping space, so if you do have maybe a grandkid that comes along every once in a while, or you've got that in-law who doesn't want to leave until he's had a few too many beers, you've got a spot to put that down and have an extra bit of company, stay the night and be safe. TV is already plumbed into this unit, so it's conveniently located right across from where previously the living arrangement was, where you could sit and relax on the couch. On the right hand side here we have a Norcold fridge. It's going to give you a fridge at the top and a freezer at the bottom. Some storage above really opens things up. Kinds of floor space in this unit as well. Bathroom area gives you a fully featured skylight shower, foot flush Dinette toilet, and here you've got a nice bathroom area with all kinds of storage and a medicine cabinet above. What you see here, folks, too, is your control for your on-demand water heater. So this unit does come equipped with on-demand water. Again, one of the many features that Grand Design has packed into the Imagine AIM line, which gives you the ability to take longer showers, just have more hot water and be more, just have a little more fun while you're camping. Folks, this has been Jay the RV Coach coming to you from the lot at Leisure Time Sales. This has been a look at the 2025 Imagine AIM 15RB. And I want to remind you that from the showroom to the campground, I've got you covered.